Dang. I walk out here. I'm actually sitting out on the couch right now. Walk out here. And this is all I'm seeing. Just lightning. Over and over again. Comment down below if your house is there in Arizona and this is happening to you right now. I need to know, like right now. Like the video if it's happening to you right now. I'm not gonna lie. It's crazy. Hold on, I'm gonna go out front, alright guys? Alright, and here we are up front. Yeah, this is way better up out here. Well, I'll actually see you all in another video. Oh, and it's raining. Alright, bye guys.